Today we are focusing on a common skincare concern, tanning and uneven skin tone. If you are dealing with sun damage or dullness, then you're going to love this video. I will be showing you how to do a detan facial at home to help restore your skin's natural glow and even out your complexion. So let's get started. I'm using Alps Goodness Ubtan here. It is 100% natural, free from chemicals and preservatives. For the first step, we are making a skin cleanser. For that, I have taken 2 tablespoons of unboiled milk. To that, I am adding 1 teaspoon of Ubtan. Ubtan reduces the occurrence of acne and pimples. It chases away dirt and impurities from skin, which bring back the natural glow. Mix it well. Dip a cotton pad into the solution. Rub your face for 3 minutes in circular motions. Ubtan is made up of gram flour, turmeric, wheat flour, white turmeric and sandalwood. This step will remove dirt, oil and clean the skin. Milk will help to reduce pigmentation, heal dry skin, hydrates the skin, heals acne and relieves sunburn. After 3 minutes, wash your face with normal water. Second step will be scrubbing. For this, I have taken 1 teaspoon of Ubtan. To this, I am adding 1 teaspoon of coffee powder and 1 teaspoon of rose water. Mix the ingredients to get a smooth paste. Apply this paste onto your face and massage for 2 minutes. This step removes blackheads and whiteheads. So concentrate on nose and chin areas where blackheads and whiteheads appear. This step removes the layer of dead skin, so the skin's natural glow lying underneath will be revealed. Coffee prevents premature aging and rose water tones the skin. After 2 minutes, wash your face with normal water. For face mask, I have taken 1 teaspoon of Ubtan, 2 teaspoons of beetroot powder. Add some milk to make it a paste. Mix it well. Apply this onto your face and leave it for 20 minutes. Gram flour, wheat flour in Ubtan removes suntan and lightens dark spots. Turmeric and white turmeric has antibacterial properties which heals acne and pimples. Sandalwood moisturizes the skin and reduces signs of aging. These are the ingredients that are already present in the Ubtan. Additionally, I added beetroot powder. Beetroot powder fades dark spots and scars. Do not forget the upper lip area. After 20 minutes, wash face and pat dry. Guys, can you see that glow? This facial has eliminated my dead skin cells, thus revealing my natural glow. One can do this all natural and zero chemical facial once a week or before a special occasion. This will instantly brighten the face. Do try it and let me know how it works. In today's video, I will be sharing a detan facial using ingredients straight from Indian kitchen. This detan facial is good for those with constant suntan and uneven skin tone. This facial gives result in just one sitting. So come, let's dive into the magic of home skincare. For first step, wash your face with your regular face wash or cleanser. This step is to remove dirt and oil from the skin. It also preps the skin for the upcoming process. Step 2 is exfoliation. Take a tomato slice, sprinkle coffee powder on it. Pour some honey on it. Spread it well. Rub the tomato slice on the face in small circular motion. The coffee grounds will remove dead skin cells while honey moisturizes and nourishes the skin. It removes the stubborn suntan and pigmentation. The acidity of the tomato juice gently exfoliates the skin, removing dead skin cells and revealing fresher, brighter skin underneath. Do the scrubbing for 3 minutes. Rinse off with water. Step 3 is massage. Take some curd, pour some honey, mix well. Massaging your face with a mixture of curd and honey can provide several benefits for your skin. Facial massage helps to stimulate blood flow to the skin, promoting better circulation. Massage relaxes tense facial muscles, reducing stress and relieving facial tension. Gentle massage movements encourage lymphatic drainage, which removes toxins and excess fluid from the facial tissues. Massaging reduces puffiness, especially around the eyes. It also promotes a more defined facial contour. The exfoliating action of curd combined with the skin brightening properties of honey evens out the skin tone and removes suntan. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture in the skin. When combined with curd, which is rich in lactic acid, this mixture provides deep hydration, leaving your skin soft and supple. The final step is a face mask. Add some grinded potatoes, and some honey. Mix them until the ingredients are well combined. Potatoes are rich in enzymes and vitamin C, which removes the suntan and brightens the skin, while honey provides hydration and a natural glow. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off. When it comes to skincare, home remedies always work. Give this Detan Facial a try once or twice a week and watch your skin transform. Also do watch my video on skincare products to use to remove suntan. For exclusive products that you can use in your morning and night skincare routine to remove suntan. I hope you enjoyed these all-natural steps to brighten and refresh your skin at home. Give these facials a try and get rid of tanning naturally. If you enjoyed watching this video, then share it with your friends and family who can benefit from this video. Until next time, take care. Bye.